Hi, my name is Ballester. I'm an occupational therapist with Get Creative and a HeartMath certified trainer. I'm here to tell you about the Keys in the Heart Resilience Advantage program. The HeartMath tools are designed to help you deal with challenging situations as they happen. Some programs help you with preparation for those challenging situations, and some programs help you to recover from those. The HeartMath tools will help you work through all the process from preparation to recovery through the actual event. The impact of stress is about perception. So something that may be stressful for me may not be stressful for other people. When we use the HeartMath tools, the situations that we're facing won't change, they will be the same, but the way we see them and respond to them will be different. After the workshop, the goal is that you will be able to use these tools in real situations. So the more you practice when you don't need them, the easier it will be for you to access those tools when you actually need them. Well, you will learn very simple, very effective tools that will help you to improve your ability to communicate effectively, to solve problems, to deal with difficulties with sleep, to prevent and recover from caregiver fatigue. The other side of these tools is that you will be able to identify what it is that you need in that particular situation, so you can create your own way to solve the problem. Well, the best thing you can do actually is three things. You can bring an open mind, you can bring an attitude of curiosity, and a willingness to explore what will happen when you practice the techniques.